What's up, YouTube? This is Steven's Vlogs 1 here today. Just picked up the Xbox One at my gaming store and my local town. This is the Assassin's Creed Unity bundle. Comes with Unity and I think Black Flag, but I'm not sure. Have to open this box. Comes with a headset. This is a lot better than the one that I have for the PS4. And 2 AAA batteries. The power brick. This is already built into the PS4, so you don't have to worry about that. A power cord, so you can plug it into the back of the system. You can turn it on. HDMI cables. I don't think they used to put them in that 360 one. The Xbox One controller. I can get it out of here. Wow, it's nice. It's definitely nice. And I guess there's more batteries. And to the main event. Oh, and also got Forza Horizon for it. The Xbox One. Like racing games, the arcade ones though. Not simulations. And there's the Xbox One guys. And your ports are on the back of it. So thank you for watching my unboxing of the Xbox One for 12/15/2014. Hope you guys have a great day, and stay tuned for more of my videos coming up soon, in a later date. Peace out.